Just pull.
Yeah, but you gotta find the end of it.
You made it sound like I couldn't.
Lily, wanna help?
No doubles yet. Can't
What
pull.
the? Hey, I got my
Behind you.
Okay, you have to shake the
Wait.
Oh, okay.
How did you wrap this?
There it goes.
There.
Oh, I got doubles.
No one's getting nothing.
Oh. I'll give you some time.
We suck at this. Oh,
Oh, you.
Dang it. All I got
We're
is
not
pull it out.
any stronger.
Did you get a look
I didn't even get anything out of it.
Not even a strawberry.
Fine.
There's no candy in that section,
How many
was there?
different rolls did you use on this?
1.5.
You're done.
No, but
Too bad.
Give it here.
no, I wasn't worried about that.
Oh my.
You can't find the
No,
end.
that's fine, because you gotta find the end.
Oh, yeah.
Got it. Sucker.
What?
You're supposed to have a one.
It's supposed to be a log.
Yeah.
Sucker-boo.
She just kept breaking it apart, apparently.
It's like a circle. What is this?
It's designed to blow your mind.
Double
Candy!
Oh, you got a piece of candy.
Winner.
First winner.
It's the only winner so far.
Where's the?
That's how it's supposed to go, but it's not.
Yeah,
You made it way too hard, Kenny. Way too hard. Look, you're supposed to just be able to keep going, see?
Yeah, it's supposed to be one.
I really want this Reese's Pieces.
Well, Marcus is
Just
struggling.
rip it. Just rip it. Go for it.
Oh, we're gonna have to rip it.
We're gonna have to.
Yeah.
No.
There it goes, finally.
We're all
Andrew's
gross and
like,
you're all
how can I just
pissed.
get one piece
We're
of
all
candy?
pissed now, yeah.
Shoot at the basketball hoop.
I'd take the Reese's.
Marcus is like supremely focused over there.
Oh, here we go.
I'm gonna get some effing doubles.
Oh no! Someone's in it back.
Did you seriously like rip like a little piece of the saran wrap off?
That is how.
Really?
Double.
You made it like a
Give it
double.
to Marcus.
Oh, give it to Marcus.
Oh my God!
Doubles.
Saw the jack.
I was sitting there.
You worked so
like
hard
10
for
minutes.
him. You worked so
Roll
hard
dice
for them.
and then she gets it. I ain't even touched it.
Doubles.
There's the end for you.
Lily, help. Hurry, hurry. Gotta hurry.
Hurry, mama.
Hurry, Lily.
Hurry, Mom. Hurry, hurry. Oh, you got M&M's.
Oh, lucky.
Boo. Ah.
They're about to get the Reese's too.
Yeah.
Lily's excited.
Yay, candy.
Oh, there he says. What else are we gonna get?
Doubles. Jesus, wife.
Oh, doubles.
Dang.
She wrapped it
Yeah, I
back
got candy
up.
though.
They were wrapping it back
Kick
up.
over the beer.
Oh, sorry.
Pure carpet.
Here we go. Here's something.
Got an edge yet?
There's a towel in the. I got a Starburst.
You did a couple things to follow.
No.
Keep going.
Oh, I got a few things. Yeah.
I
You
didn't
have to
roll
get
doubles
doubles.
yet.
Oh, I thought you did.
Keep going, keep going.
Okay, I did now.
Lily,
It's
those are hers.
for me though.
Lily, those are hers. These are ours. Put them here.
Lily's cashing in.
You just saw your candy.
Well, I'm trying to help you get it in. There you go. Some.
Yep, you gotta stay here and wait for our turn.
I just get candy from
Lily's gonna get first roll.
Candy.
Go doubles.
Thank you. Here, I'll move over a little bit. I'm gonna save it for a minute.
Gosh, mother.
Gotta wait, because I might get another turn.
You might.
M&M's, you like
A
those.
double sucker.
I think it's.
Sucker! Throw them in the middle. We're throwing it all in the middle.
Just like this one.
Come on, loser.
Come on.
I think I went further than usual.
Whoa.
Go over there by Matt. You can get in there. Get in there.
Like circles.
Just
Oh,
like
yeah.
unzip it. Just take it off. Like.
Oh.
Going. Oh my God.
You win nothing.
Candy, I think if you manage it.
I will eat so much too.
Doubles. Wrap it back up. Wrap it back up.
Doubles. Oh, he got the M&M's.
I got something.
He got the M&M's off. Reese's again.
Doubles.
No, you got a
Starburst,
Starburst,
Starburst in the
Haley. You
middle.
got a Starburst.
Stubborn down. Stubborn down.
Make a big ball with all this, Lily. Make a big ball.
Take it all. There's some over here.
The Reese's, it's so close.
You're so close,
You
but
know,
so
they
far.
can make it
I
one
know
of
you're like
these.
trying to feel all over to see if you
I
can
almost
piece
did.
up.
No way.
Mom, that would have taken us forever.
That'd be impossible.
What's in the middle?
What?
She was gonna make us wear gloves.
Ooh, a Reese's
That's
Pieces.
impossible.
$100 bill?
Yeah, make a big ball.
There's a prize in the middle. There's probably a money prize in the middle.
Probably.
Yeah, boys.
Would you put an
Easter
Easter egg in the middle?
I might have to get in.
An Easter egg in the middle and just wrapped it all around it.
It's ours.
Doubles again. I keep getting
Sam,
that.
Is that a kid again?
As
Is
long,
it? Did you just get a hat trick?
Sam, as
I
long as
get
it's
it.
not one of those creepy live
Doubles.
animals in the middle.
It is.
All right.
Wow.
I got the M&Ms, I guess.
You got some.
Is that a big pile?
Yeah, that's all yours, Lily.
Woo!
Woo!
Yeah.
I'm cheating, I think.
Good job.
Here you go. I don't know.
Is that soft? Hey,
Hey,
what?
Dad.
Doubles.
Oh my god.
That's
This
fishy?
is the look I needed at Christmas.
Yeah, no, me too.
Did you guys play this at Christmas too?
No, at my grandma's we do it with gifts, or like you grab the gifts on them and only get doubles.
Doubles.
Ha! I got, oh, no,
Stop ripping.
that's not fair. It's come the end.
Yeah.
Doubles.
Ball down.
Huge.
Here you go, Lily.
I like that Connie was like,
Hurry,
this will take 10
hurry.
minutes.
This will take 10
Doubles.
minutes.
Okay, we're at
40
6.5 so
minutes.
far.
47 minutes
We're not even
later.
halfway through it.
Ooh, look at Marcus.
Oh.
Well, you got the king
You got the
size up there?
jacket.
Yeah, you got the king size.
Oh, now we're getting better pieces.
Yeah.
Oh, that's like a Rubik's Cube.
Oh, come on.
So it gets
Good
cooler
girl.
the closer you get to the
All right.
end of
There you go, Lily. What did Andrew do?
Come on, Haley.
Andrew, have you got any
Nothing.
candy?
He wanted
bad
so
at this
bad
game.
that one time
How
to
did
get
Trump-
pieces.
How did Trojans end up in
What
there?
did I have? I have one.
So all you got is a Starburst?
Double!
Yeah, just one.
Double!
You're still on the same one I got stuck on. You found it.
Ooh.
Doubles.
Hey, you got some Twix.
Twix! My favorite!
Double.
Nanner's my
Yay.
favorite!
I didn't want to even trying. I just roll once and get doubles.
I keep doing that to Rachel too.
You can tell that we find the edge, but we can't find
Where it connects.
exactly.
I know.
We keep at the beginning of it.
Oh, he got. Oh,
Oh, I got a,
What was that?
Get off!
He got 2 pieces.
I got a York.
Look.
You gotta get, you can't suffocate the nun in the plastic.
Yeah. See if we can make it a big ball.
Okay, here we go. Let's wrap it up the way it was.
Come on, Rachel. It's a lot of work for a Twix.
Kicking some butt.
This is the person who wrapped it.
There we go.
Take that, you
Doubles.
stupid ball of plastic!
It's going.
Okay. Look at
I was thinking the
Is
same
this
thing.
fun watching? Is this fun?
that. There you go.
Yeah? Oh, look at Sam is getting good.
Doubles.
Oh, Lily's favorite thing is in there. Fruit snacks. Fruit snacks.
Are those your favorite?
Yeah. You better hope Mommy or Daddy wins those.
There
Oh,
you
yeah.
There you go.
I got a
You
whammy.
have really good manners.
There.
You got a ball for you.
Whammies for you.
Did you get anything?
No whammy, no whammy. No,
You
I got a
mean
whammy.
progress?
I did. I got a whole sheet off. There's a
I
whammy.
got a Twix. Oh.
Take the sheets in between the candies.
Oh, you got an M&M.
Just keep going!
Oh. Good chunk.
That was a good. That was a good run there. I want fruit
You
snacks.
got beef
though.
jerky. You got Slim Jims.
Doubles. All right, fruit snacks.
I'm gonna watch you guys get water.
Oh, beef jerky.
Oh, Lily, you missed out.
This
Not a
is
little
like
chop.
chocolate.
It's not a little chop. It's a little soft.
Yeah, those aren't yours though.
Ask Marcus if you can have some.
You can have those.
Got some beef jerky.
We'll trade Marcus.
Lily, ask Marcus. Say, can I have
We'll trade
these?
Marcus some candy for the fruit snack.
Would you like to trade a Reese's for a beef jerky? Okay.
That's up to her.
Doubles.
She's probably gonna say no.
She's gonna say no. I'm sorry,
This
bro.
thing's spraying candy now.
Keep going, keep going.
Chicken lollipop.
Bye-bye.
Enjoy it.
Hey, roll me the dice.
Cheater!
No, just
Look at me.
Cheater. Cheater.
That is not.
Karma.
That's what you get.
What you get?
I
Get
got
cheater.
Find it yet?
Ah.
There you go.
Did you get your fruit snacks, Nana?
Okay, we're at 10 minutes.
I bet if you ask Grandpa to give you fruit snacks, he will.
Katie, look at you
Yeah.
go.
You want to take them to Grandpa?
No whammy, no whammy, no
Here,
whammy.
say Grandpa, will you open these, please?
Come on.
I'll get her whammies.
Find it
How
out.
long have it been?
Here.
10 minutes.
10.
Yay!
We're maybe, what, halfway through?
And we're finally getting candy? Or at least more.
More
Took us
candy.
like 5 minutes
I'm
to
getting
start
a
getting
whammies.
candy.
I had one.
That was a late piece.
No.
That's the whammy.
Doubles.
That bad.
Well,
That was the
I got a
whammy.
whole bunch this time.
You're good to take them back? Take them back to
Yeah,
my
find it
daddy.
for you.
Helps if you roll it on the You were supposed to do it fast,
Hi.
by the way.
What do you got?
That's why they do it on
Pull
the
it. Pull it.
Pull it! Keep
What are
pulling it!
those?
Doubles, doubles, doubles.
Yeah, there you go.
Hey, but there's candy sticking out yours.
Well, I was trying to like get it set up for her so she could keep going.
Yep. Because you're a gentleman.
No, yeah, I just want to get it.
Get over there.
Get
Open it.
They're not
Have way more candy.
Some ice.
No, I put it in the washing machine.
There, you found it.